Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken noodle soup for baby. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, 2 cups of low-sodium chicken broth, and 1 cup of finely diced vegetables like carrots and celery. Don't forget 1/4 cup of tiny pasta, perfect for little mouths. This recipe is designed to be gentle and nutritious for your little one. Now let's get cooking. Start by boiling your chicken until it's fully cooked through, then shred it into very tiny pieces. Next, add the low-sodium chicken broth and your finely diced vegetables to the pot. Simmer these until the vegetables are tender. Finally, stir in your small pasta and cook it until it's perfectly soft. This ensures everything is easy for your baby to eat. Once cooked, you'll want to adjust the texture for your baby. For younger infants, blend a portion of the soup until it's smooth. For older babies, you can leave some very small, soft pieces of chicken and vegetables. Always ensure the soup has cooled to a safe, lukewarm temperature before serving. Offer a small amount in a baby-friendly bowl and watch them enjoy this comforting meal. For leftovers, store the cooled soup in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. You can also freeze individual portions for up to 1 month, making meal prep easier. Always remember to check the soup's temperature carefully before offering it to your baby. It's also best to avoid adding any extra salt or strong seasonings, keeping it gentle for their developing palates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.